Hey, what's up, everyone? This is Cowboy B from Wedjet Performance again. We're going to do the phone holder install and the bar pad on the RXPX 300 21 to 23 model. So if you got the bars, we're going to go through here. We're going to take this off, show you everything, how it goes, and you can rock your phone in the water and use the lanyard without fear of losing it, and it all works out great. So let's go ahead and get to this great DIY. All right, first thing we're gonna do is take out this T30 bolt. Take that out, set it somewhere, and this will come all the way off. Next step, all you need to do is get your bar pad, and we are not going to use the middle strap. So you take the middle strap and tuck it, like so. Peel the other ones back. Stick this right on top. Everything fits good. Take the end straps, pull them around tight. And now your bar pad is on there. Good to go. And now let's get to the phone holder. Okay. Here you got your Wedjet phone holder. What you want to do is going to come with the short one on here. We need the long one right here. So we're going to undo it. Take it all the way out. Make sure to pull it past the lock tab. It's a little hard to get it sometimes. So we're going to get rid of the short one and go directly to the long one. Hook it back up the same way you took it off. Pull it through. Get it lined up right there. Flap it over. Now it's locked in. You want to undo your other side. Undo both. Take it from the front. So this is going to go here. And you're going to take this, we stick it through the slit so you can grab it in the front. And you pull it all the way through. Takes a second, but I can grab it. Now we got it all the way through. And we pull it through. Line this on the top, dead in the middle. Pull your strap here. Pull this through. Get it firm down. Pull it hard as you can. Strap it all the way over. Now your phone holder is locked in place. Now, a lot of people, when they get on the water, they like to slide their phone in and out. That's a no-no. Once it's locked in place, leave it in there. Take your phone in and out of the web. You never have to worry about hearing the audible click to let you know that your phone and the mechanism is locked down. So you can spin it all you want, but leave it in the phone holder. We have a lanyard just in case people try to outsmart it and then they push it out and they take pictures with it and do whatever they need to do. And then what happens when you go to push it back in, you either push it halfway or you don't hear it a lot because you're on the water and you're rocking, you're trying to hurry up and get where you're going. People are leaving you. And then next thing you know, the first wave you hit, boom, this falls out, it's gone. It has to go into the lock mechanism. You have to push it and you'll feel it click. It's all the way over. Now it's locked in place, won't go anywhere. But what we like to do is take this out, put a little dab of silicone right here, push it all the way in, you'll hear it click, let it sit overnight, never comes out. You have to never worry about this bouncing out. You can still spin it like so, and just take your phone in and out of the web. And you'll have no problems, you'll never lose your phone. And if you're jumping waves, use the shoestring lanyard because that's stronger, has a better tensile strength than the regular lanyard that has the double loop on it. If you're just riding regular rivers, you can use the regular lanyard that has the WJ on it. So that you get 2 in the pack. But if you're wave jumping, definitely use the shoestring one that goes around your neck, because that one's a bit stronger and it will not snap at the lobster claw if you're jumping a huge wave. It's going to stay on there. So this is everything you need to know about the Wet Jet Performance phone holder. They're going to be on the website. Go ahead and buy them up. Great item to have on any jet ski, and we'll have them for Yamahas and the older Seadoos soon, which will have the 2 straps. One goes this way, one goes that way, for the people who don't have the through hole, like the newer Seadoos. And the Yamahas, they don't have a through hole at all, and so they'll be strapping on both sides. We'll have those for you this fall, and take care. You know we heard